unang-una, I think the question is, dahil na inamin ng ating mahal na senador na nagbawas siya ng pondo, I think ang tanong is, ilang milyong Pilipino ang naapektuhan dahil dun sa pondong nawala? Kasi base sa sinabi ni Congressman Abalos, matatapos naman pala yung listahan by 2023. So therefore, may target beneficiaries na dapat yon. Now, in so much that she said that she removed the funds and diverted it somewhere else, which I think wouldn't affect the fiscal space dahil may budget ceiling naman tayo, ang mas malaking tanong, ilang milyong Pilipino at ilang households ang naapektuhan dahil nailipat yung pera? At mukhang hindi lang yata nung 2023 nangyari ito.